The 2019-2024 Nissan Altima key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. When your remote's range diminishes, typically functioning within 30 to 50 feet, or becomes unresponsive, it's time for a battery swap. This is a straightforward DIY task, saving you from dealership costs, which often range from $50 to $100. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on your key fob, usually at the base or side. Gently pry it open. Step 1. Locate the seam on the key fob. Step 2. Gently pry open the case. Step 3. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation with positive side up. Step 4. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Step 5. Snap the case shut securely. Remember, forcing the fob open can cause damage. After replacing the battery, test the key fob's functionality by pressing the buttons to ensure it locks, unlocks, and starts the vehicle. If the key fob doesn't work, reprogramming might be needed. Consult your Nissan Altima owner's manual for instructions on how to reprogram the fob via the vehicle's infotainment system. Use high-quality batteries like Panasonic CR2032 or an OEM battery to avoid premature failure. Wearing gloves prevents skin oils from affecting the battery's performance. If the battery was corroded or the fob malfunctions persist, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to avoid costly ECU resets. DIY battery replacement is safe and effective and can save you significant money over dealership service, but in rare instances, you may need to seek expert assistance.